Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Ring Wired Doorbell Plus, the latest second-generation model that promises to bring high-definition security to your front door. This wired doorbell combines advanced video capabilities, smart home integration, and thoughtful design to make home monitoring both seamless and effective. Starting with video quality, the Ring Wired Doorbell Plus delivers Retinal 2K resolution, giving you sharp, clear footage that captures every detail. Its wide-angle view ensures you can see your entire porch, while 4x enhanced zoom lets you focus on objects or visitors at a distance. Even in low light, the camera maintains true color with low light sight, switching to crisp black and white in complete darkness to preserve clarity and detail. The device is designed to maintain high performance regardless of lighting conditions, ensuring your home is always visible and secure. Motion detection has been upgraded with radar-powered 3D motion detection. This means the doorbell can differentiate between people, vehicles, and other movements, sending precise alerts to your phone without unnecessary interruptions. Notifications even include video descriptions when motion is detected, giving you an instant understanding of what's happening outside your home. The system is tailored to work with custom motion zones, allowing you to monitor key areas like your porch or package drop spots while ignoring irrelevant movement. Installation is straightforward. The Ring Wired Doorbell Plus is designed to tap into your existing doorbell wiring, making it compatible with standard systems. It comes with the Chime Kit Mini, installation hardware, and a step-by-step guide in the Ring app. The setup process involves connecting the wiring, securing the doorbell to your home, attaching the faceplate, and finishing the setup through the app. Professional installation is also available for those who prefer it. Once installed, the doorbell integrates fully with the Ring app, allowing you to see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. The device also works seamlessly with Alexa. If you have an Echo device, you can add voice control, enabling hands-free monitoring. For example, an Echo Show will allow you to see and interact with visitors directly on the screen, while standard Echo devices will provide audio notifications when motion is detected. Powering the Ring Wired Doorbell Plus requires a hardwired connection, either through a Ring transformer or plug-in adapter, ensuring it is always ready to operate without worrying about battery life. The doorbell is weather-resistant, capable of operating in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a variety of climates. Connectivity is supported via dual-band Wi-Fi, including the latest Wi-Fi 6, allowing for stable and responsive video streaming. Ring has also designed this doorbell with sustainability in mind. The device is built with recycled materials, including 98% recycled aluminum, and its packaging is predominantly made from responsibly sourced or recycled wood fiber. It has an estimated life cycle carbon footprint of 60 kilograms of CO2e, and energy-efficient modes reduce power consumption when idle. The Ring Wired Doorbell Plus comes in several premium finishes, including nickel silver, polished night navy, polished sandstone, and polished mocha, allowing you to match the exterior of your home while maintaining a sleek, modern design. The device includes everything you need for installation: the doorbell, Chime Kit Mini, corner kit, mounting plate, installation tools, setup guide, and a security sticker. In conclusion, the Ring Wired Doorbell Plus second generation is a well-rounded solution for those seeking enhanced security, high-definition video, and smart home integration. Its Retinal 2K video, advanced motion detection, easy app controls, and Alexa compatibility make it a strong contender in the smart doorbell market. Whether you're looking to upgrade from a traditional doorbell or replace an older smart model, this device offers clarity, convenience, and peace of mind for your home or business. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets.